Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the MWR tax reduction portion of your exclusive membership. So for all of my W-2 employees, definitely pay attention to this portion because this is going to be a big benefit to you. However, if you are self-employed, I'm going to show you guys how this portion of the membership can actually benefit you as well. So once you get started and you get signed up with MWR Financial, you want to go ahead and sign into your back office. Once you sign into your back office, if you go to the top of the screen, you're going to see where it says My Services. Go ahead and click on that. And then this is going to bring you into your customer portal. Once you get into your customer portal, just click on Services. You're going to see a drop down box, and then you're going to click on MWR Tax Reduction. This is going to bring you over to where it says tax experts and strategies. And this is where the W-2 employees definitely want to pay attention, because strategy number one is going to show you how to get an instant pay raise at your job without having to work any extra hours or ask your boss for a raise. And here's why. If you are a W-2 employee, it's time to stop overpaying on your taxes. Why? Because it's your money, and letting the government use it all year long, interest free, just to get a refund is the leading cause of credit usage and debt accumulation. Click on the Get Started button now and follow the steps to stop overpaying on your taxes and increase your take home pay today. All right, so let's go ahead and click Get Started, and let's see what's behind strategy number one. All right, so as we get here, guys, you're going to notice that everything is very easy to go through. Everything is step by step. So you have strategy number one, strategy number two, strategy number three, and strategy number four. So you just want to follow each one of these. Don't skip any of the steps. All right. So for my W-2 employees, this is the portion, strategy number one, where it's to stop tax overpayment. So for you guys, it says by completing the steps below, our tax experts will review your information and provide you with a corrected W-4 form so you can stop overpaying the IRS and keep more of your hard-earned money. So that's right. You're going to have your tax expert who is going to take your information and not only make the adjustments on the W-4, but they're going to fill it out for you. So they're going to need some details. So first things first, you want to answer the questions on the strategy number one. And one of the most important questions here, guys, is do you currently own a home-based business? Well, now that you're inside of this exclusive membership, the answer is yes. So you're going to have that. Now, why is it important to have a home-based business while working a job? Well, this is going to give you a chance to take advantage of the tax laws and turn your expenses into deductions. So what does that mean? Well, everything that you currently spend your money on right now, so such as your mortgage, your rent, your mileage, your gas, food, travel, different things like that, you are going to be able to now write that off on your taxes and further reducing the amount that the government can tax you on. Okay, so that's something that is super exciting. So once you finish filling out those questions on step number one, you want to come down to step number two. And for you guys, this is very important here. So you're going to upload your most recent tax returns and then your last two pay stubs for you and your spouse via the upload center at the bottom of this page. Once you have uploaded all of your relevant tax return and pay stubs, please click the I'm finished button below to send a message to MWR Tax Reduction experts to initiate the review process. Okay, so then once you do that, guys, you get your most recent tax returns and your last two pay stubs. Then what you want to do, and you submit them, you want to allow up to 24 business hours for the experts to review your uploads and provide you with a corrected W-4 and via the upload center at the bottom. And then once you receive that, you're just going to simply download the print the corrected W-4 provided to you and your spouse. And then you're going to turn around and give that to your employer HR staff so you can start receiving your tax savings or pay raise on your very next paycheck, right? So this is where the upload center is down here at the bottom. So once you get those documents, you're going to save them to your computer. You're going to upload them here, and then you're going to save them and then click I'm finished. And then what's really awesome about this as well, guys, if you have any questions about taxes or anything financial, you're going to be able to submit those questions and you're going to be able to ask your tax expert. So all you have to do here is go here and click on the button, Ask a Tax Expert. And then it's going to pop up a box here so you can ask any questions that you may have. Go ahead and submit it. If they can answer the questions just by messaging you back, they're going to message you back. If it's a type of question where it requires a phone call, they will set up a phone call with you so that way you can speak to a live body and get your questions answered. So this is something that's very exciting. So once again, so that's going through strategy number 1. Strategy number 2. When you start a home-based business, it is very important to keep good records. So not only do we have the tax experts that's going to help you to get that instant pay raise and get your money back from the government, but we are also going to be able to give you a tool to be able to track everything and be organized. So we have what we call the tax bot that you're going to download to your phone, which is going to help you to be able to track your mileage, keep any of your receipts. You'll be able to take pictures and keep accurate records on there. So when it's time to sit down with a tax expert to go ahead and do your taxes, you're going to have everything organized that you can just simply send over to them, and then they're going to be all set. So this is very easy. So you definitely want to read through strategy number 2, download your tax bot to your phone, and start tracking your things immediately. Okay, now strategy number 3. Now this is more or less for my self-employed people and my W2 employees as well. But for my self-employed people, this is going to be cool because you can actually have your last 3 years of taxes reviewed by a tax expert, so that way you can make sure that you did not leave any money on the table. So they're going to go ahead and go through that. If they find that there was any money that was left, they're going to help you retrieve that money because that's your hard-earned money. So take full advantage of that. Follow the strategies here. Upload your last 3 years of tax returns and let the tax experts do the rest. And then strategy number 4, if you guys have any old taxes to the IRS, this is going to be a great strategy to connect with and get that information over so they can help you to reduce those taxes and give you a fresh start. Be able to clean those up so that way you don't have that over your head anymore. So take full advantage. These are all the strategies within the MWR tax reduction section. Once again, if you have any questions along the way, once again, you have the message center right at the bottom. Feel free to go in and put any questions that you may have, and they'll be happy to answer those. But once again, guys, I just want to say congratulations for making the decision to take action and get your financial makeover and start your journey to financial freedom. And once again, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.